All right, we're back at it today. Got a customer's frame in. I'm just doing a gusset kit install, and I am doing the foot peg inserts. I haven't really seen much videos on the actual inserts themselves. I forget the manufacturer, JDS or J something, JT or something like that. But they make these foot peg inserts for you guys that have stripped out thread inserts for your foot pegs. A much bigger improvement over the way OEM is. The OEM is not nice. I mean, it's just literally a bolt. I'll show you guys. I got these all pulled out. So there's the stock ones. They just kind of sitting there. This is what they look like in the back. A little nut. That's basically all it's holding your foot peg in there. One nut. You can tell there's 5-6 threads in there. Not much. As far as these ones, I mean, you look at the size of that compared to, what's there. That's a lot more thread, so you're going to be a lot better off. But I just wanted to make a quick one. I got this side complete. It's pretty much literally this side over here has 2 tack welds. There's one up here on the top and one down on the bottom. Pretty much cut those welds and that whole thing pops right out. Same thing with the rear. The rears are a little different. They're sheet metal. So this whole pocket right here has this piece like embedded in it. So that's sitting in there as one like cast piece, one pressed piece. So you just got to pretty much cut the edge off. Cut the edge off and pop it out. And then what I do, I'll go through, I clean it up and everything and just make it nice, so when you do go to weld to it, it'll be nice. But yeah, same as any other one that I've fixed. I've done a lot of like Hondas and other machines. This is my first Banshee, but same as everything else. I do them one at a time. So usually I'll pop the front one out. It's a little easier. Pop that out, bolt it up, and tighten the one that's still in place, and that'll hold it while you put in your other one that you're replacing. So I did that with this. So I used the rear that was there, bolted it in with this insert, bolted to the peg. So you pretty much just bolt it up, tack it in, bag it out. Cut that one off, same thing. Put it onto your peg, put it in. The bolt will just drop, but same thing. Bolt it in, tack that in the right spot. Make sure your foot peg's sitting correctly. You do have a little bit of movement, but just make sure it's sitting right and tack her up. Then pretty much just pop the peg off, fully weld them, make sure all the threads are good, and then you're good to go. And simple as that. Yeah, I just wanted to make a little quick tutorial. Just show you how simple it is. I mean, same as every other one, pop them out, put them in. So, hope that helps somebody. I know I looked around just for the hell of it, and I really didn't see much. So, yeah, good luck, and hopefully this helped.